Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Healthy and Easy Recipes. So today I'm going to make a new recipe and it's orange and carrot juice. My ingredients are a large orange, 2 small carrots, honey and ground ginger. So let's get started. So now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my orange, I'm going to peel off the skin and then chop it up and remove all the pips. So the orange is great for getting in your vitamin C. And then I'm going to do the same with the carrots. I'm going to peel and chop them into small pieces. So let's get that done. So now there you can see my carrots are chopped up and also my oranges is peeled and sliced. So now what we're going to do next is going to add it all into the magic bullet. And then we're going to add in the honey, and a sprinkle of the ground ginger. So now just put the top on and then it's ready to go in the blender. So now there we have our carrot and orange juice all blended up. All we have to do now is add into the glasses. And so there we have all made up a delicious and healthy carrot and orange juice. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe below. Thank you so much for watching everybody. Have a great day.